Lovely to see you, Judy. You'll be pleased to hear as well that the weather this week for Wimbledon looks like it's going to stay dry. And do you know, isn't that typical? Because right behind me is court number 1 with its brand spanking new retractable roof. But actually, that is a good thing. So for the first time for Wimbledon fortnight, we've got 2 retractable roofs. One on court number 1, of course, and one on centre court, but it doesn't look like we'll need them this week anyway. Now, the forecast for Wimbledon today is also a dry one, as you can imagine. We're starting off on a sunny note, but then we'll see a bit more cloud develop through the day, so it'll be sunny intervals and just a gentle northwesterly breeze by the afternoon, with highs up to 21 degrees. For all of us today, though, we are looking at a mixture of sunshine and showers. Most of the showers will be across Scotland, Northern Ireland, North West England and also North Wales. And you can see quite a lot of cloud in the west. The east seeing some brighter skies, but that will change as we go through the day. 9 o'clock this morning across Scotland, we still do have those showers and gusty winds, gusting 40-45 miles an hour, only slowly easing as we go through the course of the day. For Northern Ireland, mixture for you. You've got some cloud, you've got some showers, and you also will see some sunshine at times. And it's the same across North West England, quite a bit of cloud with some showers. North East England seeing something sunnier. For Wales, it's a cloudy start with showers in the north and quite a cloudy start across South West England and also the Midlands. Travel further east, we're back into the sunshine. But through the day, the cloud in the west travels over towards the east, turning the sunshine hazy, so we'll have sunny intervals rather than wall-to-wall blue skies. Temperature-wise, 13 in Stornoway to about 21, 22 in London. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight period, many of the showers will fade, the wind will ease, we'll see clear spells develop, but a new weather front coming in across the northwest of Scotland will introduce some more showers, and through the night they're going to cross over towards the east. Temperature-wise tonight, well, we're looking at about 9 in the north to about 13 as we push further south. Tomorrow morning, where we've had the clear skies by nights, where we'll see the sunshine first thing, but rather light today. We've got a northwesterly breeze, and that's going to bring in more cloud, moving across all areas through the day. So again, sunny intervals rather than wall-to-wall blue skies, with some showers across the northern half of Scotland, some of them getting in towards the central lowlands through the course of the day. And temperatures tomorrow up to 21 or 22. Also worth mentioning the pollen levels, because today across England and Wales, they're high or very high, and for Northern Ireland and Scotland, they're low or moderate. So some of us will need to get our hankies out if you are allergic, of course, to grass pollen. Lou and Dan. Oh. Then where it looks like it's going to stay dry all week. The forecast today, though, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, North West England and North Wales, you'll see some showers. For the rest of us, we're looking at some sunny intervals, but very windy in the north. I'll have more in 15 minutes. Good morning. Well, for some of us, dry as a bone. For others, there are some showers in the forecast, Dan, which these flowers will be very pleased about. We can see some lovely roses here. The flowers at Wimbledon are always stunning. There's roughly 50,000 flowers on site, and a few of them here. We've got lobelia, we've got fern, salvia, and these lovely clematis. Aren't they gorgeous? What beautiful colour. Of course, they are all in the Wimbledon colours. Now, they won't be getting a drink, we don't think, this week, because the forecast for Wimbledon is mostly dry. In fact, totally dry this week. If that changes, I'll keep you posted. The forecast for the rest of the UK today is a mixture of some sunny spells, but also a few showers. And the showers are across Scotland, Northern Ireland, North West England and North Wales. So not really surprisingly, we've got a lot of cloud associated with those showers, which will move eastwards through the day. So instead of the blue skies that we have now, we'll be looking at sunny intervals. The other thing about today's forecast is it's very windy across Scotland, with gusts 40 to 45 miles an hour. That will slowly ease by the time we get to the afternoon, but all of us will see the northwesterly breeze, or feel it at least. So if we zoom up to Scotland at 9 o'clock, you can see we do have a lot of cloud, we do have those showers, and it still will be quite gusty. North West England and Northern Ireland seeing showers as well, and quite a bit of cloud. North East England seeing some sunshine, and also North Wales prone to those showers. But the rest of Wales, South West England and the Midlands off to a cloudy start. Whereas the further east that you travel in England, the more likely you are to see some sunshine. Now, through the course of the day, the sunshine will be Hazy because we'll have that cloud coming in the northwesterly breeze from the west pushing over towards the east, but it will still remain dry. Many of the showers will fade, and temperature wise, well, we're looking at about 13 in the north to highs of about 21 or 22 in the southeast, so not the dizzy heights of the 34 were recorded at Heathrow and Northolt on Saturday, making it the warmest day of the year so far. We're not expecting those temperatures again for a while at least. Through this evening and overnight, well, we'll have some clear skies around. We'll see showers coming in across the northwest of Scotland, moving east across the north of Scotland through the course of the night, and the winds will also ease. Temperature-wise, falling to about 9 to 13. Now tomorrow, of course, where we've had the clear skies by night, is where we're going to start off with some sunshine. But rather light today in the northwesterly breeze will pull in a bit more cloud from the west across all areas. So we still will see sunshine, but we're looking at sunny intervals. And across the northern half of Scotland, there will still be some showers, some getting into the central lowlands, but they're showers, so not all of us will catch one. And tomorrow's highs, again, 21 or 22. Pollen levels today, I'm standing in completely the wrong place, but it is grass pollen. For England and for Wales, high or very high today. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, we're looking at low or moderate. Dan and Lou.
Well, thank you very much, Carol. And I love this first. I love Wimbledon anyway, but I love when we get to sort of sneak preview ahead of everybody else. Thank you.
It is here in the centre court, and what a lovely gentleman I have found as well. Good morning, Neil Stubley, Head of Courts and Horticulture.
Good morning.
Now, tell us a bit about your role here.
So I'm charged with looking after the 38 grass courts and all the landscaping. We have a team of guys that look after the courts, and obviously a team of horticulturists that look after all of the hanging baskets and the living walls and the rose arbours around the grounds.
We've been admiring them this morning. Neil, what are these gents, the ground staff, doing out there this morning?
And that gives us all the data that makes sure that we can get our consistency courts and make sure that everything's good and where it should be.
And that must affect the bounce of the ball as well, as indeed will the weather.
Absolutely. So the weather's looking set fair for us, which is quite good actually, because normally the Monday after. So we're already looking at how the courts are looking now, whether we've done the right thing in the spring, whether we've done the right thing in the autumn. So we're already looking to see what we need to be doing for 2020.
And Centre Court itself is just used for the Wimbledon Championships, except for during the Olympics?
Absolutely, yes. So it's Centre Court every year.
And it's not just Centre Court, of course, now that has the retractable roof.
Absolutely. So, yes, so we've got twice as many worries for a groundsman now to sort of have to sort of manage the grass and make sure that they stay consistent to all the outside courts as well.
Neil, it's been a pleasure as always. Thank you so much for giving up your time this morning.
Thank you very much.
Let you get on.
Thank you.
Now, as Neil rightly said there, the weather for Wimbledon this week is set fair. We don't expect it to rain, certainly not till Friday anyway. If that changes, I of course will keep you posted. And if you are coming today, well, temperatures could get up to about 21 degrees. But what you'll find is there'll be a little bit more cloud around in the afternoon. So instead of wall-to-wall blue skies, there will be sunny intervals. Now, for the rest of us today, we're looking at a mixture of sunny intervals and also some showers. A lot of the showers will be in Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northwest England and also North Wales. And it's also in the west, hardly surprisingly, that we have got a bit more cloud. In the east this morning, we're starting off in much brighter conditions. So for Scotland, we continue this morning with the showers. It's also quite gusty, gusts of wind 40 to 45 miles an hour. And for Northern Ireland and Northwest England, we're also looking at that cloudy start with showers. Northeast England, you've got brighter skies. North Wales, prone to those showers. And in fact, the rest of Wales, the Midlands into Southwest England, cloudy start. Whereas in the east, we're looking at some sunshine with some fair weather cloud. But as we go through the course of the day, what you'll find is on the northwesterly breeze, some of that cloud in the west will drift over towards the east, turning the sunshine hazy. So we're looking at sunny intervals rather than the blue skies I was mentioning. The wind across Scotland will also ease a touch as we head through the afternoon. And our temperature range from about 13 in the north to about 21 or 22 in the southeast. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, there will be clear skies developing. There still will be some cloud around. And across the north of Scotland, we've got a weather front coming in, bringing some showery outbreaks of rain. And that will travel from the west towards the east across the north of Scotland through the night. Temperature-wise, well, falling to between 9 and 13 degrees. Tomorrow, of course, where we've got the clear skies by night is where we'll start off with some sunshine. But rather like today with a northwesterly breeze, the cloud in the west will drift further eastwards through the course of the day. So we'll be looking at sunny intervals through the course of the afternoon. And we start off with those showers across the north of Scotland. Some of them will be getting in towards the central lowlands through the course of the day as well, but it's not going to be as windy. And temperatures up to about 22, maybe 23 in the southeast. Just before I go, pollen levels today. Well, in England and in Wales, they're going to be high or very high. In Scotland and Northern Ireland, either low or moderate, and it's grass pollen. So I'm standing in exactly the right place with an analogy like that, Lou and Dan.
Oh, you really are, aren't you? Carol, thank you so much, and I shall look forward to seeing you tomorrow again. Thank you.